It's currently 8:21 over Glendale Heights, and the clouds are starting to form. They are about to darken and prepare for the storm. The storm will start at approximately 9 o'clock this evening, maybe even earlier. But we could either be under severe thunderstorm warning or a tornado watch. Who knows? We'll pray for all the people here in Glendale Heights and hope nothing goes wrong. And we got our sirens here that are about to sound off, preparing for the first tornado they will witness. So, I'll give you guys an update at 9 o'clock once I see something.